guys, what's up? It's Matt from Scooter G's. I have a Haro bike, and here's my bike check. Starting with the back, I have a green Haro conversion kit, back rim, with a nice green hub, and a green sprocket 25-9 conversion kit. I got nice, Haro frame with Haro crank, stock, and Haro recycled PC pedals. I have my friend's old Eastern seat, and I like it. I have stock forks, stock front rim and tire. I have stock Haro headset. I like the stem, it's a Primo Annihilator. And I have my friend's old handlebars, which are Eastern Shovelhead in baby blue and ODI grips. And that was my bike check.